In 1993, they called it the storm of the century. A major nor'easter hit the entire eastern third of the United States. Severe weather in the south and blizzards in the north. For the first time in history, all major eastern airports were shut down at the same time. The storm caused more than 300 deaths. In January 1996, the eastern seaboard was hit by another major nor'easter, right on the heels of a government shutdown that put most federal employees on leave. Heavy snowfall and blizzard conditions hit cities from Washington to New York to Boston. 9 states were declared disaster areas. 60 people died in that storm. The Great Blizzard of 2003 started with snow in the Rockies on February 14th. Cold temperatures and strong winds turned the storm into a full-blown nor'easter that reached its full intensity on President's Day, February 17th. More than 2 feet of snow covered parts of Maryland all the way north to southern New England. Dangerous ice conditions hitting the Carolinas and Virginia. 42 people were killed in this storm. The biggest winter storm in New York City history hit in February of 2006. A system that dumped snow across the Northeast from Virginia to Maine. 26.9 inches of snow was recorded in Central Park by the end of the storm, the largest amount of snowfall to date. 3 back-to-back blizzards hit the Northeast in February of 2010, each storm bringing prolonged periods of heavy snowfall. By the end of the last one, 68% of the country was covered in snow.